But let's shift focus then to corporates then, and we're joined by the management of Garware Wall Ropes, which actually delivered a very good set of numbers in Q2. Mr. Vayu Garware, the CMD of the company, now joins us on the phone line from Pune. Mr. Garware, good morning and thanks for joining us on Hot Stocks. At the outset, congratulations on the strong quarter. In fact, the margins have seen improving almost 500 basis points. So segmentally, what contributed most to the growth, and what's your outlook on margins in terms of the sustainability at the current levels?
Good morning. Thank you for having us on your channel this morning. To answer your question about margins, I'll explain to you that we're basically a business-to-business company, and our job is to improve profits of our customers, which we have done very well by introducing new products, which are adding a lot of value to them. And that's the primary driver of the growth as well as the margin growth, both in India and overseas.
Okay, that sounds fairly encouraging, but let's talk about demand. How has that been domestically, and where are you seeing the maximum uptick in demand?
Actually, Q2 is normally driven a lot by our domestic fisheries business, and that has been very strong this year. So we're encouraged with that. The monsoon has been good, which is normally a good sign for the domestic businesses of fisheries as well as agriculture. And the infrastructure segment also has seen some positive movement.
Okay, could you update us on your international operations? What has been the revenue contribution from the same, and most importantly, have you seen pressure from the currency fluctuations?
At the moment, our revenue mix is about 60% domestic and 40% export. Currency has not really impacted us at the moment. We maintain a very well hedged position, so we're normally square, and we don't take much risk on the currency front. So we're able to manage the currency quite well, and we're overall in surplus net rupees dollar surplus company.
Okay, and within the sports net segment, what kind of market share and expansion plans do you have?
We sell our sports nets primarily in Europe and America, and in both places we have fairly good market shares in the 20% plus range. To a lot of the large sporting tournaments as well as the high-end professional sports companies. So we have good market shares, and we continue to see that increasing. But it's a fairly mature market already, and we're quite strong.
All right, Mr. Garware, appreciate your time. Thanks so much for joining us on ET Now with the perspective on the company.